Namaste friends, welcome to Celestial Life. I'm Deepika Zana, and in this video I'm going to share few secret things in our life. How we need to have a successful life. Everybody we need to have the successful life, right? So do you know why some people are successful and some people are not? So if you want success in your life, you need to have certain commitments for yourself. So then it will work. See here, I just wanted to share my thoughts. Already I got experience. How to manifest my dreams, how to manifest my desires. How does it work? In 5 days. Can you believe it? But before that, how does it work and what are these rules? What are these laws? So let me say, everybody in this universe there are many laws. I think most of the people know about that. But the law of attraction is you can't believe it. How does it work, The law of attraction is the most powerful law in this universe. And this law of attraction, you know what happened? You will attract into your life what you need, what exactly you need to focus on. And whatever you give your energy and attention, it will come back to you. So remember, if you stay focused on the good and positive things, that will be attracted into your life. If you are focused upon any negativity feeling, then that will be attracted to your life. Can you imagine that? What is the secret? Really, this is surprising for everybody. So here just I wanted to say few things, like sometimes our nature changes day to day life. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. So depends on the circumstances. So if you are feeling excited, enthusiastic, passionate, happy, joyful, you should be always happy around, smiley face, greet everyone, whoever comes to your life, and appreciate others. The abundance of feeling you should have, then it sends to the universe the same thought, same positive energy. But other hand, when you are not feeling, sometimes you feel very much irritated and many things goes in your mind, your thoughts are changed, like you feel sad, angry, like sometimes you feel very stressed yourself, you cannot talk to anybody. Those are the negative energy. So even these also goes to the universe and it comes back to you. That is the law of attraction. What you think every moment, so it goes to the universe and it comes back to you. So there are certain steps need to follow in our life. That one first we should keep in our mind. No, how to change my life, how I need to be happy, how I need to be success. Every factor, every sector, like it's not about my personal, my career, even in family, my relationship. I need to have a very strong vision, what I need to do. I have to have a strong desire. So you need to think everyday life and always remember you should think big. Just think big. Let it be beyond your imagination. What you think? Beyond your imagination. Can you believe? You just write them. I'm going to guide you how you need to write day-to-day life and what you need to do that. So every day you need to send request to the universe as well as to your subconscious mind. You have your brain and you need to think what exactly you need. Clarity of your thought, bring it. Do not get confused. Just bring clarity. What exactly you need. Let it take time, no problem. 2-3 days you think. What exactly you need. Write them in a piece of paper. Nothing is limited for you. It's such a big universe. What you need, what you ask, it comes back to you. Now, I just wanted to say and wanted to share how to manifest them. You have desires, you have ambitions, you have visions, you have many more things. How to bring them in your life, how to make them to work, that's most important. So here I just wanted to say, you need to write only for 5 days. You need to manifest your dream for 5 days into 55. Why 5 into 55? Why it is not 3 into 33 or 2 into 22 or other numbers? In numerology, the 5 number is its transformations, evolutions, and 55 indicates the personal power, means we are very powerful. What we think, it comes back to us. So every day what you do, you write in the morning, it's the better solution for you. When you write, maintain a diary. Every day you need to write 55 times for 5 days. See the miracles 100%. But before that, you should not be sad, or you should not have a other mind, no other thought to come and disturb you. You should be happily and show your gratitudeness. You should say thank you with the smiley face. Just like you should start feeling the visualization, how already I am achieving it, I am done, I am so happy, damn good, it's happening to me. I chose my dream house, I chose my big car, what am I love to drive, I chose the loved one to whom I love, my family relationship is good, my kids are good, I am pursuing, these are the careers. Write what you want, but you need to write in the short form, because it will be easy to write every day 55 times. And keep in your mind, whenever you write in the red, green or blue. Don't write in the black. Okay, so let's do this and just wait for the miracles. 100% you are going to achieve that. 5 into 55, total 275. Already it has reached your subconscious mind and you started feeling them. That is most important, this law of attraction. You need to have the happy and strong and have the gratitudeness in your life, right? So if you like my video, please like and subscribe and write your comments so I can share more than that. Anyway, I'm going to share so many things, angels, everybody, you know my career, what I have done many things, I learned, these are my experience. So I'm going to share you and to see you the best life to be flow in your everybody life, everybody should be happy. That is my ambitions. Thank you so much to my friends.